Hi friends, welcome to Chenna Tech Point. Today my topic is how to deploy a Spring Boot application into EC2 instance. Let's start the session. I already created one Spring Boot demo application. This is the main class, and also I already created one control, simple control. I mentioned as a REST control, and this is the get mapping, and create one method, hello method, and it will return welcome to Chenna Tech Point. Go to application properties. Here we give port number server.port equal to I take in 8082, save it. For deploying this Spring Boot application into EC2 instance, we need to do packing. Go to pom.xml. Here we give packing. Mention as jar. We need to convert entire Spring Boot application into jar. Select the application. Right click. Go to Maven. Go to run. Run as Maven clean. Now we generating the jar for the Spring Boot application. Select the application again. Go to run as, click on Maven install. Now build successfully, it will generate the jar here. In target folder, Spring Boot demo. We need to deploy this jar into EC2 instance. Go to AWS console, tap EC2, click on EC2. Click on launch instances. Instance name is my EC2 instance. I am selecting Amazon 5.10. Select this one. Click on create new pair. Click on PPK. Key name is my EC2 instance. And create key pair. Download the key. Click on launch instance. Click on view all instances. Instance is now running. Click on that instance. Go to security. We need to enable 8082 port number in security groups. Click on edit inbound rules. Add rule. Custom TCP. Mention 8082. Select anywhere IPv4. Save rule. Go to instance. For connecting this EC2 instance, open PuTTY. Copy public IPv4 address. Open PuTTY. Paste host name. Click on data. Here username is EC2-user. Go to SSH. Click on auth. Click on credentials. Here we need to add the private key. Click on open. Click on accept. We connected successfully. Now we can see Java version. There is no Java installed in this instance. First we need to update the packages. Sudo yum update. Click on enter. In this instance, no packages will be available. Now what we will do, install the Java. Sudo yum install Java. Before installing, we upload the jar file in S3 bucket. We get the jar from the S3 bucket. Duplicate it. Type S3. Click on S3 bucket service. We already created one Spring Boot demo 1 bucket. We already uploaded jar in this. Click on this URL. Go to PuTTY. First we can upload the file here. Type wget, paste the URL. Click on enter. Click on ls. You can see jar added. Clear the screen. Now we will install the Java. Sudo yum install Java. Click on enter. It will download the Java. Click on yes. Now we'll check the Java version. Java version. You can see open JDK 7.0.6. Clear the screen. Click on ls. Now run the Spring Boot application. Type Java jar. Give the jar name. Click on enter. You can see Spring Boot application started. You can see Spring Boot application started successfully 8082. Go to instance. Copy this public IPv4. Paste it here and colon 8082. Click on enter. Now you can see application working successfully. Go to Eclipse again. Here the REST API is /hello. /hel hello. Click on enter. You can see welcome to Chenna Tech Point. Spring Boot application deployed successfully in EC2 instance. In this way, we can deploy the Spring Boot application into EC2 instance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.